Hey everyone, today we're solving a counting problem involving digit codes and slot-based reasoning. Let's walk through it step by step. Read the question. Now, let's break it down using the slot method. We're forming 4-digit numbers using only the digits 0, 1, and 2. We're also told that the number must be less than 4,000. Since we're dealing with 4-digit numbers, the first digit can't be 0. Otherwise, it becomes a 3-digit number. Now, to make sure the number is less than 4,000, we need to control the first digit. Any 4-digit number starting with 4 or higher would be 4,000 or more. So we want the first digit to be 0, 1, 2, or 3. But we're only allowed to use 0, 1, or 2. So the first digit can only be 1 or 2. Hence, the first digit has 2 valid options. Now, for the remaining 3 slots, there's no restriction. We can use any of the 3 digits, 0, 1, or 2, and repetition is allowed. So, first digit, 2 options. Second digit, 3 options. Third digit, 3 options. Fourth digit, 3 options. Now multiply 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 54 valid codes. The correct option is answer D. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more math tips. See you next time.